good, YouTube? It's your boy AJ back with another banger, man. Should I read about today's title? We got MDOT 59, WODDY or WODDY, Subway Surfers. Finna get straight into it. Make sure I drop a like, comment, share, subscribe. It's crazy because out there, I think,
niggas really do that,
yeah. They be doing that dumb ass shit, bro.
Subway surfer, the real life.
Top of trains, just like
the parkour shit. You know the parkour niggas be jumping off and shit.
Niggas be killing themselves off that dumb ass shit.
That shit is fun. Like you only get paid off that.
I don't know what the fuck wrong with niggas, bro. But I'm gonna get straight into it, man.
New York is
bro.
Many niggas don't learn. Elon pays ABs. The bird trying to push up on who nigga hands really work. $2 the pain, but B don't get them. I got 59 shots to be yellow than B with the rip trying to put a new mag in them. Every trip with the block trying to go for the PR. B cap robbing, they got zero scenes. Know how we get every trip on the creeps. Have to get a 9 more for the aim me asleep. Elon ran while he mentioned me. Made shoots low to the flies to the beam. He said I've been on the team. Man, take dogs to the spark of the G. Nigga ran to the creeps. Got up on me. 250K with a 3-man weave. She playing on B. We gon' punch for a weave. That's just Jen. I ain't Mackie. 3J3 is a game. Never went for the. I'ma spin through the phone like 6-4 shots. Full third K with Lottie in a box. So look, naughty nigga do it. Bob niggas talking on X. I got a couple shots. Free-body racks living in a spot. After we had everybody hate dot. Fat boy head, shoulder feeling high. Everybody keep robbing cap what they not. The crease of my tangents. Fuck it, they gon' niggas messing the X. I got a couple fries. Jiggle with us and nigga not they safe. I got some demons hopping out the break. Better show them my 3 nigga. Give me some space. They was holding front nigga covering this. Trying to cross from the wrist. They put him in this. Trying to cross from the wrist. They put him in his place.
Trying to crash for the wrist. They put him on his back. And the big game mess. I don't fuck with the Mac. Free bros got booked. Got locked for the. Free bros got booked. Got locked for the pack. Ask about why they on quick turn attack. Had to do shots on niggas that gave me a. Had to do shots on niggas that gave me a. Let me watch you shaking the cut on my lap. Catch me a Mac. He gotta go. Headshot, dead shot. Do him like glow. You think he slime me? Raping there's no 3 ounce got. That's 3 in a row. Come in this drilling shit. Bitch, I'm a pro. You think you slime me? Bitch, you slow. So many times with a bitch do dope 750s on court trying to go to the low. From us, man, got booked for the pole. From us, box Mr. Up in the throat. Pop creep pussy. Sister a hoe and his brother the pack. Niggas already know.
Damn.
Many niggas don't learn. Elon pays ABs. The bird trying to push up on who nigga hands really work. $2 the pain, but B don't get them. I got 59 shots to be yellow than B with the rip trying to put a nigga back in them. Every trip with the block trying to go for the PR. B cap robbing, they got zero scenes. Know how we get every trip on the creeps. Have to get a 9 more for the aim me asleep. Elon ran while he mentioned me. Made shoots low to the flies to the beam. KOD sweet. Watch how we creep. Joda, he said I've been on the team. Man, take dogs to the spark of the G. Nigga ran to the creeps. Now up on me.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, yeah. That's the one Hazard Lights we just did when he was talking about the shorty. Yeah, Brody be talking his shit. I ain't gonna lie. Oh shit.
After this, I ain't trying to be cool. They took a bus and fuck my move. I'm on that back block with the tool. First time I split it, get put on the loop. He said he's sliding on me, he a fool. Like what? Them niggas know what I do. Fuck Dubsky. We put that boy in the news. OTL double S only jacking a few. Niggas know how I get when I built to that block. Duty, you know we smoking a block. Fuck no.
Was that somebody? I feel like you said somebody that TG Crippy fuck with or something.
He just do low.
Oh, he did, damn. But that was hard though. Shout out to whoever started telling us to react to MDOT 59. That was fire, man. Bro be doing this thing, no cap. But make sure I drop a like on that, comment, share, subscribe, man. Yo.